Do you win but feel nothing at all? Most people cheer, but you stay silent. Your smart brain is stealing your happiness. Winning feels like just another boring day. Today, we will fix this mental problem. First, we look at moving your goals. Then, we stop the constant pressure. Finally, we learn how to be happy. Think about your last big achievement. Were you happy for even 1 minute? No, you already planned the next task. Smart brains always live in the future. You predicted the win, so it is boring. Happiness needs surprise, but you know everything. Your brain makes success feel too normal. Winning feels like eating a plain meal. You ignore the gold in your hand. Is this happening to you right now? Listen closely. We need to change this. You move your goals too quickly. You finish one, then you want 10. You never stop to enjoy the view. You're tired from always being perfect. You think winning is your only value. Without a win, you feel like nobody. Let us rebuild your mind today. Stop trying to be a machine. Stop and breathe for 5 minutes. Feel the win in your heart. Celebrate small things, not just big ones. The journey is the real victory. Stop looking for the next problem. Smart people think fun is a waste. They think they're wasting time. But fun keeps your brain healthy. Be happy with your current success. Do not compare yourself to others. You are human. You deserve joy. Start a simple celebration ritual. Real intelligence knows when to stop. Buy yourself a small reward today. It tells your brain, good job. Without rewards, your brain feels tired. Highly smart people hate wasting time. But resting is actually productive, truly. It gives you energy for next. Stop listening to that negative voice. The voice that says, do more. You have already done enough, friend. Your value is not your work. You are important just as you are. Winning is what you do, not who. Write down your wins every night. Even the small wins matter, truly. This trains your brain to notice. Smart people overthink their own mistakes. They forget to look at success. Change your focus starting right now. Call a friend and share news. Let others be happy for you. Their joy will help you feel. Wait, are you still thinking about work? Stop. Take a deep breath now. Make a done list, not to do. Look at everything you have finished. Be proud of your hard effort. Real success is feeling peace inside. Anxiety is not a sign of genius. True intelligence is being happy today. Treat yourself to a nice meal. Enjoy the taste and the moment. You earn this moment of peace. Do not let your IQ win. Let your heart win for once. Celebrate because you are worth it. Success is only good if enjoyed. Stop moving the goals so far. Write win if you are happy. Subscribe to Clearway for more help. Stay curious. Stay clear. Goodbye.